It's a good day to have a good day.
So guys, literally I just uploaded that vlog, went in the shower and stuff, but now I'm just recording this vlog. I don't know when this is going out. This is the vlog where later on in the vlog I'm going to be eating a rotten banana. So hope you guys enjoy that part of the vlog, the whole vlog really. Also, I'm going back to school tomorrow, so I'm going to film some of that obviously. Yeah, forgot to wash my hoodie, so like my zip up hoodie, so you know, I'm going to be a side man in school again, just for tomorrow. I used to wear my Sideman hoodie a lot to school, but now I don't, and I'm going to just tomorrow. So guys, I've been getting a few reports, well not reports, just people people messaging me on Snapchat and Instagram, and they commented on my videos as well, that apparently YouTube isn't letting them like my videos, or like it's saying they have, but then if they go off the video and go back on, it's saying they haven't, and it's just not letting them. So, and that's kind of annoying me as well, because I'm looking at my videos and it doesn't really make sense. Say I have like 40 views and like 2 likes, that's what I'm gonna end up with here. I don't know, that's just what popped into my head. But anyway, I'm just gonna get rid of likes and dislikes just to solve that whole problem. So you can no longer like and dislike my videos. So that's one thing you can no longer do on my channel. But if you want to help on my channel, please just subscribe and share the chat and share my channel and tell people about it and stuff. Thanks guys. And so guys, I'm actually really tired. Basically I'm being here watching Bates Motel now. I gotta wake up for school in, what is the time? Got my old phone here. 2:30. I gotta get up for school in like 4 hours, and I have not slept. That is not good. I'm gonna be so tired tomorrow, but anyway, I'm still gonna make the video, I'm still gonna vlog, I'm still gonna do all that good stuff, you know. I'm probably gonna be late for school, I'm always late for school, but I better not lose my voice tomorrow, or school. But guys, I'm still not 100%, I got 10 minutes to get to school. I'm much better than I was, it's just, I'm not like 100% better, like my throat really hurts when I talk, but I'm not going to be silent. It's me, you know, so, like, why would I be silent? But, I don't know why, I'm really happy. I really don't know why, I shouldn't be, because I'm going back to school right now. I got 10 minutes, so I'm going to be late. I'm my first day back again. I'm always late, but most of the times on purpose, but still, I'm really happy for no reason, I don't know why. Anyway, I'm just going to go to school, film some of that, and then when I go home, I'm going to be doing a banana challenge. School. Fuck's sake. I wonder if I can see Fatboy Jason from here. Nah, I'm joking. Yeah, but still, I have got to talk to him serious. I'm not going to record it or anything, because, yeah. Dion. Vlog.
Turn off for a sec.
Vlog.
Turn it off.
Vlog.
There's Molly in there, yeah.
D-gun. Rug. Thanks.
There's some guy here.
Let's call this T-Rug.
T-Rug.
No, T-Rug. And then we got K-Rug.
No!
What?
No.
What?
That?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So these are all the people, guys, you know these people we got.
You out!
You out! You out! Sean, what are you doing?
All of it.
Me! Who are you doing?
On the apple man! On the apple man!
Oh,
Don't need to, you're disrespecting God!
Hey, what are you doing, you motherfucker? Bitch! Give me my apple! Give me my apple. Oh, that's my apple! So guys, I am now home. Yeah, you just seen that's me and my friends being weird, that's what we're like. But anyway, I'm actually quite scared because I'm about to go and eat a rotten banana. Anyway, let's do it. So guys, this is the part of the video where I'm probably gonna end up being sick or something like that. So basically, here is the disgusting gone off banana. It's been up, I've been hiding it up, not even on, it's behind the fridge freezer over there. I don't know if you see it, if I go like that. Now you can't see it. It's over there. But I've been keeping it behind the fridge freezer for 8 days, guys. 8 days. So basically, that's there. And what I'm doing, I'm gonna get myself a bowl. If I be sick or anything, I'm gonna just be sick in there, in this bowl right here. So anyway, let's do it. Who came up with these challenges for me to do? Oh my god. Oh, so it's a bit broken. I'm just gonna start by here, you know. Nah, I'm starting from here, you know. God, that's disgusting. Oh god, that was horrible, you know. Alright, let's go. It's gone. Gone. No. Oh God. That was just the start. Look at all that. Oh. I spat that bit out. I'm gonna have one more try at this. I'm gonna go for a big bit. Oh. I don't know if I'm allowed to show this, but this is horrible. That ain't right. Oh, these challenges are gonna kill me, I swear. Guys, that's the end of that. Hope you all enjoyed. I'm a bit recovered now. All that just seems like 5-10 minutes ago. So I've been sick. I'm not even lying, guys. I actually genuinely been sick. So I went, been sick. I've been sick. Cleaned it myself and everything else up, you know. Got rid of the banana and all stuff like that. And then I just needed to sit down because I just didn't feel well. But now I'm fine again. So anyway, that's the end of this video. Hope you've all enjoyed. I've got a Q&A coming out very soon. So comment down below some questions or hit me up on Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Any of those. Just if you want to give me some good questions. My belly really hurts right now. No, shit. I really don't feel well. Oh, God. Anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Peace.
That's true. That right. She sippin' more wet and yeah, I swear it get her wetter. My Louboutins news on my bottom stays redder. No, I'm not on ride, but I'm all up on my cheddar. Just talked to your homie, she said we should be together.